So friends, let's make a human figure using 8 heads theory, for which we need to make a grid of 8 by 4 first. So we can measure 8 divisions vertically: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Because we have to make a grid of 4 by 8 for making this human figure based on 8 heads theory. So here we go with making of grid. This has to be approximately a square blocks, because we are not measuring anything, everything is based on approximation. So individual unit has to be a square here. Thus we get a grid of 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks to 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now this grid is ready for us, on which we can draw the human figure based on the theory. So the exactly symmetrical, the middle line, from here we will begin with a head. The second block, these two blocks, here we can divide it into 3 parts. The blocks could be divided into 3 parts. Joining these two coordinates, we get a point where we have to take our line to make a shoulder. The next measurement has to be on third line, which gives the waist. So let's join it like this to get the waist. On the fourth line again, we have to divide it into 3 parts, so that the waistline, from the waistline, the lines can be further extended up to hip line. On the sixth line, again dividing it into 3 parts, we can extend the hip line up to the knee position. After this, the last block could be further divided into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. This lower portion will be left for making a feet, and here we get these points. When we extend it further, from this position, we can draw the feet. So approximately, the human body has now been drawn, fitting into this grid of 8 heads theory. Now we can add hands to it. The elbow can approximately extend up to third line, and in no case the fingers should cross the fifth line. This we should keep in mind. So up to fifth line, the fingers can go. Not more than that. Similarly, we can draw the other hand to get a posture. Maybe we can bend it like this, and the figure is ready. This point here is the navel, and as we measure, considering the standard dimensions, if they take it as 1, this height we take it as 1, the remaining height from navel to the feet is going to be 1.618 as per the standard measurements. So thus this ratio of 1 is to 1.618 gives us a golden proportion.